Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change activity status on Discord. So in this case, log into Discord first. Now go to this user settings. You can see here that I'm not playing anything right now, or the status is normal. So if you want to go user settings, go to activity settings and you will find registered games. Click on registered games, and if you want to change your status, just click on here, add it, and you can write anything like this one, add game. Click on add game. Now if you go to your profile or your any server, if you log into your web Discord, then you can see all of your active members here. Then if you see my name, Mr. Green, here Mr. Green is playing ISCREC. Now I'm changing another status. You can see again, going here, registered games, under the activity settings, but here's no activity settings, sorry, here's no registered game. Registered game is in the Discord menu. So I'm going Discord again, going here, registered games, and you will find that I will change it. I can make it Google Chrome. I don't have any games yet in my computer, that's why I can't show you, but I'm showing the examples Google Chrome, like I'm playing Google Chrome. Let's check now. Now if you see that what I'm doing here, playing Google Chrome. So guys, this is how you can change status, active status on Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.